Hello, Bacho. Myself Vitesh from Avt. Today in this session, we are going to understand one of the important topic regarding mathematics, which is the arithmetic progression. So, what do you mean by the arithmetic progression? I will show you the definition first. A sequence in which the difference between the any two consecutive terms is a non-zero constant is called the arithmetic progression. Means it is a sequence. From the definition, we can conclude that it is a sequence where we can see the common difference between the two consecutive terms should be the non-zero constant. But you might not clear from this definition that what it means and where it is used and how it is helpful for us. Okay, so I will give you the one real life example that or real life story that belongs to me, that one of my friend whose name is Sachin, who find his job, and he got his first job. It is of 8,000 rupees with an increment of the 500 rupees every month. Okay, and he went his home and he gave surprise to his mother that mother, I will got the first job which is of 8,000 rupees with an increment of 500 rupees. Okay, and he asked his mother one question, ma'am, mother, when I will get married, means which salary is suitable for getting married. Okay, so his mother told her that whenever you reach the 15,000 that you are capable of getting married. Okay, so he might thinking that how much time it will take to get married, or how much time it will take to reach the 15,000 rupees per month. Okay, so he might got confused that how to calculate it. Is there any formula in the mathematics from that we are able to understand that how much time it will take, or how much month it will take, or up to which term we will get the 15,000 rupees. Okay, so I will show you this example regarding arithmetic progression. So we can see here that is for job, he got his job of the 8,000 rupees with an increment of 500 rupees every month. Okay, so I will show you here with an increment of 500 rupees every month. So when he will reaches to 15,000 rupees. So we can see here there is a common difference between the two consecutive terms is 500 rupees. You can see here. Okay, in the arithmetic progression, the first term should be denoted by T1, second term should be denoted by T2, and the third term should be denoted by T3, and the last term should be denoted by Tn. You can also remember that first term should also be denoted by A, and you can remember that in this whole chapter we are going to use it. Okay, and the common difference should be denoted by D. D is the common difference. So I will clear you that what is a common difference. Common difference means difference of the two consecutive numbers, but it is a difference of the next term minus previous term. We can also remember like that. Okay, next term minus previous term. Okay, so what is the formula to find the last term? Yes, I will show you. First of all, we can also understand that what is T1. T1, you can see here that T1 should be denoted by A, that we have to remember. So what is T2? Can we write that T2 is equal to A plus D and T3 is equal to A plus 2D? Yes, why not we are writing? We can see here that T1 is equal to A. So A plus D is the T2 term. A plus 2 types of D is equal to third term. Yes, it is clear from that. So we have to find the last term. So what we can write here? So A plus n minus 1D. From this we can understand easily that how can we get this. Okay, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So we can find that Tn value. So what is the n here? N is the number of the term. What is n here? N is the number of term, that which term we will get the value of 15,000 rupees. So we can put all the values here, that Tn is equal to 15,000 rupees, A is equal to 8,000, and D is equal to common difference, which is of 500 rupees. Okay, so we can shift here. So 15,000 minus 8,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 500. 15,000 minus 8,000, 7,000 rupees is equal to n minus 1 into 500. So 7,000 divided by 500 is equal to n minus 1. So what we can get here? 5 14s. So 14 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 14 plus 1, which is equals to 15. So we can get that 15,000 is the T15 term. So we can conclude that after 15 months, Sachin get 15,000 rupees. I think I have cleared this topic very easily. You can understand well. So I will show you another example of the arithmetic progression, that what is the arithmetic progression. As we have already seen that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, many of the times you have to ask this question, is this sequence is the arithmetic progression or not? So how can we understand this? We can understand by seeing the common difference. We can see here there is a common difference between the two consecutive terms, which is of 1. So we can say that this also an AP. Okay, so I will show you the more questions that regarding the arithmetic progression. Okay, so you can see here the question is, for the given AP, the first term is 5th and the common difference is 12, and we have to find the 25th term. So you can see here I will solve this question very easily, that T1 is equal to given is 5 and the common difference is given 12, and we have to find the 25th term. Okay, we have to find the 25th term. So we can write that A plus n minus 1d, we have the formula. So A plus 25 minus 1 into d. You can see here. So A plus 24d. So T25 is equal to A plus 24d. So I want to find the T25 term. So what is the A here? We can see here A is 5. T1, it should be also written as A plus 24 into D. What is the common difference with 12? So 5 plus 24 into 12. What is the 24 into 12?